Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing cool PowerPoint slide in just a few steps. So let's begin. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide, go to format background and click on picture texture fill. And next you have to insert an image. Here you go. Now go to picture corrections and decrease its brightness and close the format background. Insert a text box in which you're gonna add your text, change its color to white and then increase its size. Now change its font. Now align it. You have to go to align shape and then you're gonna align it either into the middle or center. Now let's increase its size because I want this text to be clearly seen by the audience. Now insert a text box right next to the first text box and in it we're gonna add our title. So let's increase the title size. Here you go. Now let's move it upwards and select them and group them and then move them into the center and the middle of the slide. Next, insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide and then set it to the back, change its color to black, and go to Format Objects and increase its transparency as much as that you can see the picture clearly and you can also see the text as well. Now duplicate the slide and now what you have to do next is ungroup the text and go to the first slide and ungroup everything as well. Now we're going to move this text downwards or upwards and we're going to move this second text box onto the right side. And for the image, let's just give it a solid fill or a gradient fill. So right now I'm going to use a gradient fill of black and some other color. You can go to more colors to find some better colors. So I'll just use this navy blue color. Let's give it some direction so that we can clearly see what is written on it. Now we're gonna put our text and here it goes. Duplicate this number. We're gonna move it onto the slide. Next we're gonna write counting till 1 and 2 and 3. Something like this. We have to put 1 onto the slide and we're gonna copy this text box and insert another text box for right next to the first one and we're gonna write our first reason. So let's put it right here and let's me insert the content text. Let's change this content text color to white as well and give it some line spacing. So this is how it looks. Now duplicate the slide again, go to format background. First of all, you have to change the header. Next, while holding shift, you have to move this text box upward that the second letter is visible onto the slide. Go to format background and change the one color of the background. And I'll just use one of the nice colors from here. So this yellow color also looks nice. I'll just use this one. Yeah, this looks nice. So this is orange color. Duplicate the slide and you're gonna while holding shift you're gonna put the last letter onto the slide and for the text box that is title we're also gonna change it. And for the gradient let's give it a different gradient. So this is the gradient I will use. Now select all of the slides, go to transitions tab. Now duplicate this first slide. First of all, go to the first slide and move the text out of the template because we want to apply this template with morph transition as well. Now go to morph transition and click on apply to all. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.